We are introducing a comprehensive asset financing solution designed to support schools, businesses, and PSV circles in acquiring essential vehicles through a structured, flexible, and highly affordable package. Under this initiative, customers can access up to 105% financing, covering not just the cost of the vehicle, but also insurance and related expenses.
The partnership is a part of a shared vision between CFAO Mobility Kenya and Equity Bank to create impactful, practical solutions that support sectors critical to national development, with education coming up first. The campaign offers access to high-quality vehicles such as Toyota Hiace. It also offers our Mercedes-Benz bus. It also offers Hino FC500. Each of these models are actually selected based on their proven performance, safety features, and suitability for school transport.